Okay, so the last step in Fusion 360 before we export this to Adobe Illustrator, where we can do more of the artistic side of this project, is to change the parameters of this picture frame so it suits our needs. So I'll show you the picture I'm going to use. Here is the picture I'm planning on putting in my picture frame. It's from my old home in Penang, and that's my daughter. And so what I did was I measured the edge, and it's hard to tell from this picture, but the length is actually 176 millimeters, and the width here is 125 millimeters. So in Fusion, I'm going to go modify parameters. So I'm going to make the picture length 176. And I'm going to make the picture width 125. And you can see now that the frame is actually changed to accommodate that height. Now that makes the frame look pretty big, so I'm going to actually go in here. I think what I'd like to do is I'm going to go get the art space. I don't think I need that much art space, so I'm going to make the art space 30, maybe even 25. And what I might even do is get my frame width. I might go for like a 10 centimeter frame width. Let's see what that looks like. So that looks pretty good. Now I'm not sure how this is going to work, but thinking that my finger joints are now looking really kind of big and chunky there. So what I can now do, let's go modify parameters. And what I'll do is I'll go and change the spacing on the finger joints to 10. Oh, that messed up a sketch, so it might have to, that might not be quite as possible as I thought. Let's try modifying let's just try modifying the stand height. Let's make that 150. Let's see if that works. Okay, oh, that's better. It's a little bit short, so let's make it maybe 170. So that's the last step, is to just get all of the picture frame looking just the way you like it. Once we export it to Adobe Illustrator, you're not going to be able to bring it back into Fusion with much ease. So make sure you make all of the adjustments you want. You could potentially, if you wanted to, add, like if you wanted to round the edges here, you could add a fillet, something like that, and do whatever you want to make it your picture frame. And then next tutorial I will teach you how to export it to Adobe Illustrator.